I'm sick of my pool cleaner getting stuck in the corner and doing absolutely nothing for the rest of the pool for the entire cycle. So we've gone and got a pool robot. My name's Damien, welcome to Rudder X channel, where we look at some technology to try and make your house an easier place to deal with. And today we're down poolside. The pool cleaner, the sucker thing, is all coiled up. It gets stuck in one corner, doesn't do the entire pool. I've talked to the pool shop and apparently this is what I need. So this is the BWT F1 Sonic Pro. Don't know what all that means, but I've recently just purchased it. It is brand new. We're going to unbox it, have a look what's in here, get it charged up overnight. It's the first charge, put it in the pool tomorrow and see how it goes. So first off, we have a reasonably sort of smallish pool. So this has been recommended for a small to medium sized pool. Certainly not one of your real large ones. You'll need a bigger unit that can go for longer. The main thing that attracted me to this is that it has a 4-hour runtime, which should be plenty to map out the pool and clean it all. It does floor, walls, and waterline, and it charges in 2.5 hours. It's completely cordless, so you put it in the pool, it does its thing, then you hook it up, put it on charge, and apparently in 2.5 hours, it's ready to go again. It also has a very large cleaner bucket. We don't have many trees around here, so it shouldn't be a big issue. But it also has a nano filter, so it's going to filter out small things. So, sand, which gets in here from my feet mostly, algae, anything else that starts to grow, it should clean it up. One of the last things is our pool has quite sharp edges. It's not been rounded out, so the pool cleaner never got in there. I'm really hoping this does the job. All right, so let's have a look on the outside. Obviously, it's a lithium battery robotic pool cleaner. BWT, if you've been watching Netflix, F1, they're an F1 Formula team, so hopefully their engines are pretty good. Well, there's a promotion that we can win a trip to the Formula 1 Grand Prix, or we can win 1 in 12 gets their robot for free. Okay, guide. We'll need that for later. It's me hook. So we won't take it out of the plastic bag because there's a bit of wind today and it'll fly around. So what have we got in here? I'm guessing this is the power brick. Big power brick. I'm not sure where I'm going to do the charging. Probably up there somewhere, hopefully hidden in a cupboard so Brooke doesn't mind. Oh. Okay, so here's the unit. We'll take it out of the box. It's about 7 kilos. I read some of the promotional stuff beforehand. Also, I completely bought this. We're not getting paid by anyone to do this. So it's a pretty sleek unit. There's an on-off switch. The charging port is on the top, so it's not magnetic charging. It's a true charging port. And a very large filtration bucket. So if you've got leaves or whatnot, they're all going to get caught in there. All right, I'm going to read the instruction book. I'm going to put this on charge so it has a decent charge overnight. Tomorrow we can put it in the pool and see how she goes. Not quite the next day. I'm just charging up the robot right now, but I downloaded the app, which is fairly easy to do. You sign in, do all the usual things, and now it's asking you to take a picture of the pool. Full view picture of the pool. Take a picture of your pool to improve the path planning. Take a clear, unobstructed image of the pool during the day, daylight for better visibility. Sound the pool edge for an optimal top-down approach. Okay, so if you want to know just how small our pool is and if this is something for you, ours is 6 meters by 3.5 meters. And only 1.5 meters deep, which is quite shallow and something all the time. All right, so congratulations. We've set up the pool. All right, It's like the way of the world with everything. I guess because it's a robot, first thing we need to do is update. We're going to turn it to auto update. It's already got an update available. So let's put that in. We're going from 1.10 to 1.5. So that's kind of cool. So it's going to be upgrading kind of like a car or a Tesla or something like that continually. So it'll hopefully get better over time. Pretty happy with that. All right, well, let's get this update going. I'll just get this update going and get the pool cleaned. We're all charged up, ready to drop our robot into the water. I've taken all the stuff off it, all the plastic. So let's have a look at it before we drop it in. The one thing it reminds me of quite a lot is to make sure this rubber plug, which is the power plug, is firmly secured in there. Otherwise, everything else is ready to go. That's the bottom of it, so it's going to suction through there. Now, as I mentioned, it's got an app that you can use, or you can just use the buttons. So, here we go. Long press of power, turns it on, and then you can just go through the cycles. So that's floor only, floor and walls, walls and waterline only. So you want the middle one. Still got Wi-Fi, so you can go timer mode, eco mode, or just let it go for its own. Now, all these are also available, and you can hear it beeping. If you just leave it alone, that's the setting it's going to go on, and it's now waiting to go into the water. If we jump on the app, you get the same thing. So if I go walls, there you go, it's changed to walls. I want full, and I want the suction power as standard, if you can see that. So we're ready to dump into the water, so we're ready to dive in. Later, robot's just sitting at the bottom of the pool there, waiting for his hook to come. So you just grab the hook, assuming this slides into my pole. So grab the hook, just go across and grab the little guy out. Oh. So it's quite heavy when it first comes out. So I guess see what we've got here. Yeah, it picked up quite a bit of sand, a few leaves, a few other bits and pieces.